You ever have a day where you just don't want to leave your house? Yeah, that's the kind of day I was having today. It's 12 degrees outside, like 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. It's just a really crappy day. And I was just feeling really blah. So if I didn't have 50-something animals to take care of, I would not have left the house today. Also, I'm still shaking because I about hung Molly earlier. Molly's gate to her pasture is completely froze into the ground and I can't get it out. So I had to tie her out, which I know is extremely dangerous. But I did it anyways because I had to clean her stall and give her food and change her water and all that jazz. But she got tangled and it was almost really bad. Luckily, Cody was outside and he ran over and was helping me untangle her before she completely panicked. Anywho, that being said, I pretty much just am gonna make a silent video today because I ain't got much to say. Yeah, that's been my day. So I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you on a happier day.